Hello friends, today in this video I will explain about view in SQL Server. So first I will explain about the definition of view, how to represent the view. If someone asks you view, how to tell them. Suppose that you are facing an interview, someone asks you tell me about view. So that's a very simple answer for view. View that just a virtual table, represent a virtual table, and we can join multiple table in a view and use view to present the data if data is were coming from the single table. In simple word, and view just like a virtual table and represent data, correct? So move to the SQL Server side and take the practical example how to create view in database. So we have one database, demo one. In demo one database I have tables, and just I am using here employee table. In this employee table, after using this table I create one view. So let's start how to create view. So let's start from syntax. Create view and view name. So I am putting here view name like view EMP, correct? And add select star from employee, correct? And just select this one and execute. Sorry, I'm using here 8 by mistake, correct? So just to execute this one, correct? So view is created successfully, and we can check this view. Remove this query first and select star from. So same select star from like a table query used for check the data of view. Actually view also virtual table. We can see that data, check the data here in view, correct? I have created a one view in SQL Server, and just now after creating the view just check that it's working proper or not, correct? So I hope you understand what is view in SQL Server, why we are using, and syntax of view, and how to create, and if you have created, so where we can check. In your database side below tables, showing here view option, just click here, check here all view. I hope you understand, correct? So move to the again, check difference between view and store procedure. So in this line whatever I selected here mention view and store procedure are both SQL object that can store and execute query. View are virtual table, I have already explained, that return the result of query every time. That's it. View always return result of query, right? And access. Store procedure are programs that can perform multiple operations. So in store procedure we can perform insert, delete, update, and selecting all the operations. The last one showing here, you cannot call a store procedure from inside a view. Correct? We cannot call a store procedure inside the view. So I hope you understand the what's the difference between store procedure and view. Next thing, I have taken one more example here. So store procedure and view again different. So store procedure we can take the parameters, but inside the view we cannot accept the parameter. Take the practical example. So here showing inside the view, not any input parameter, so we cannot add here. But in store procedure, are you able to see here? And we have take the input parameters at the rate user ID like that. So we have option to add input parameter, output parameter into the store procedure, but we don't have any option to add into the view. Correct? So the next one thing is that inside the view we can use we cannot use a large building block query. So inside the view we can use. Third one step that we can use if else and loops inside the store procedure, but we cannot use inside the view. Only we can use select query inside the view, but we cannot use the if else while loop like that. And next one is that we can perform the modification to one or more several tables, right? So we can perform the operation like inside delete update inside the stop position, but we cannot perform inside the view, correct? I hope and whatever I explained here, difference between both stop position and view, and I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is useful for you, and please share this video and like my channel.